What's up, guys? Intelitech Studios here, and we are unboxing the Hoover Elite Rewind model number UH71013. Now you might be thinking, wait, you already have this vacuum. You already have this. Why did you buy it again? Well, because this one's blue. That's it. That's my only reasoning. It's blue, or at least it's supposed to be. This is the second time I've ordered a machine that's supposed to be blue, but this time it's actually in a blue box, not a red box. So, or I should say the vacuum on the box is blue instead of red. So that makes me think that this one actually is the blue vacuum cleaner. I ordered this on Amazon from a seller known as the Disney Shoppers, and they have both stores on eBay and on Amazon. I ordered it through Amazon because it was a bit cheaper. And yeah, that's about it. I paid $120 for this, which is a little bit more than if I had bought the red one from Big Lots at full price. It would have been $100. So I paid an extra $20 to have the blue version. So is that actually worth it? Probably not, but I wanted the blue one. I paid $130 from a Walmart seller that is not the same seller for a red variant. Even though it was supposed to be blue, it was advertised as blue. So once I unbox this, I'm going to take that one back. So I currently have two red ones and then this blue one, even though the first one was supposed to be the blue one, and that I paid like $130 for. So that one is going back to Walmart. It wasn't Walmart themselves, it was a third-party seller, but it was through Walmart.com. So I'll have to send that one back since it was the wrong color. And we'll take this cardboard off. It looks like this packaging is a little bit roughed up, but it looks like this vacuum wasn't taken apart before, or wasn't set up before. And yes, that is blue. So that does appear to be correct. The blue variant of this. And of course we got the handle. Now I already did a video. Oh, this is a little bit dusty. Obviously, to me it's pretty clear they don't make the blue version anymore, so this is clearly likely just new old stock. And the Disney Shoppers, the seller who had these, had a few of them on both eBay and Amazon. I don't know if they had like multiples for each or if they just had a certain number and they were dual listed on both websites. So it was the exact same name, so I'm assuming it was the same seller for both. It almost looks like this was repackaged. The box is not in very good condition, but as long as the vacuum itself is in good shape, I'm not going to complain. Despite the price. Yeah, because that would have been like resealed if this was like a return or something, so I don't think this was a return. It looks like this one has a different hose as well. I was told this one has a different hose. I actually like the hose on the red one more, the black hose. So can we snap this up right? Yes, we can. This one is also missing the little cover for the cable, but it does appear to be new. You can see there's a lot of cardboard dust on this. It's not rubbing off very easily. The hose appears to be okay. So there's that. And then finally we have, again, very, very dusty, have the extension wand and crevice tool. Now I already did the assembly tutorial on this with the red version, so I'm not going to bother to do that. But it's pretty simple. Slide the handle on the top after you pull out this screw, and there's two more screws here. You put the handle on, put two screws right here, then put another screw in the back here. Then the handle's on and everything else snaps into place. Pretty self-explanatory. So now I'll dust everything off and put it together. Well, it works. But yeah, so it appears to work, so that's good. And so not much else to say about that, but finally got the correct version. So I'll go ahead and return the other one that wasn't the correct version. And yeah, this one also has a clear hose, which is Interesting. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the Hoover Elite Rewind. This time it's the proper blue variant, the 3 version, not the 2 version that the red one was. So yeah, that's pretty much it with that.